Welcome to Mikecolesvids. Appreciate you tuning in. And if you're not a subscriber and you dig this kind of moto content, please consider hitting that red button and following along with our adventures. Well, it's the last week in October on a beautiful, about 70-degree day. We're heading up to the moto farm. That means it's time to feel really lucky to be able to be here today. Had a very scary incident on my way home from work last night. It was about 10 o'clock. I was in a turn lane on the main thoroughfare heading through Daytona Beach, and a car came at me in my lane, right at me. Came straight through here and almost hit me. Looks like there used to be a pole there. I'm sure somebody just ran it over. At the last second, they noticed what they were doing. And as I leaned to the right to avoid them, they jerked their wheel to the opposite direction, wound up going over the median and barely missing me. Car went just like this, right into my lane, right into there. I could feel that car go right by my elbow. Just a healthy reminder that every time we throw a leg over, there's a risk involved. I'm gonna try those gloves that Jamie gave me. Broski gave me a pair of gloves. Gonna try them out today. Nice and orange. All right, here we go. First moto of the day. Mentioned last week that I got a new scooter. Today, I'm gonna try to sell my 2012 EXC 500 Freedom machine. Bought this bike new from New Smyrna Beach in the spring of 2012. It's been an absolute ripper. It was my dedicated woods machine until I added my 300 a couple years ago. Lately it's been used for motocross, so I got the rack removed, skid plate, bark busters, and all that is included in the sale. Headlight as well. Gonna even throw in an old tire. Be here. I honestly thought I'd never sell it. I just didn't think there'd be any value to a 11-year-old dirt bike with 14,000 miles and 660 hours. I'm asking a lot of money for it though, so let's see if this happens. Yo! We're here at the beginning of October, and I might be taking this last ride here on the 500, going to meet a guy that wants to buy it. Here we'll see if this actually takes place. I've had a couple tire kickers, some flakes, and then obviously the Somalian prince that asked me to leave it sitting outside. He wanted to come over and just pick it up and he'd send me the check, but you know how that goes with Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, and all that rigmarole. I ain't got no headlight, no turn signals, but horn works. Worry for me and good luck with her. Oh yeah, it's gonna bark on you. Later, buddy. Cheers. Oh man, I shouldn't get so attached to these machines, but man, oh man. Hell, what do you do? It's been a great bike. Really has. Now, are these new or are these the originals? Tell you, man, It's a full factory edition 450. It's a massive difference from the 500. I'll talk more about it once we get going. Fiddling with my clutch. See how that clutch feels now. There's a groomer. Your motor in. Yeah, Robbie. Yeah. Modify that one a little. See if we can clean this one up. Not fast, smooth, but not fast. I feel like I'm bottoming that front end out on those. Feeling good though. 3 laps in. Oh man, I'll be glad to give you a recommendation. What is 10% of 0? All right, what an absolutely fantastic day at the moto farm. I want to thank everybody for taking the time to watch these videos. I sure do have a lot of fun out here recreating